Okay, welcome back everyone. In this episode, this is the episode we've all been waiting for. Hopefully, this thing starts. I got my buddy Tony helping me.
Yo.
So, this is what we're gonna do. We got everything hooked up, spark stuff, wire stuff, water stuff, fluid stuff, all that stuff's in. Now, we're just gonna put some fire stuff down the carburetor stuff, and stuff hopefully will happen. So here we go. Oh, and by the way, this is at like 8:30 at night, so we're gonna wake up the neighborhood. My neighbors are gonna hate me. So, there we go. A healthy sport. Good old healthy sport. Alright. Attempt numero uno. No. I think we're probably going to have to hook up jumper cables. How much go-go juice does this jump pack have? Not 84. Actually, I'm going to ground her right up to the engine.
There you go.
Oh wait, we don't need a jump pack. So, got something better than a jump pack. I actually have like a whole battery thing that you can just plug in. So, oh fuck. Hopefully the cord's long enough. So we're using, oh, I guess I can unplug those things over there. Oh, extension cord's already over here. So, this needs to plug into your outlet up there. Yeah. Might have to get crazy with this. Okay, alright. Can you reach?
Stand on this tire.
Perfect.
There, you're in.
We're in?
You're in.
Oh boy. Put that there. Put that here. Turn this on. It's on a timer. And then you go to engine start. There we go. Cool. Need something close to the choke. Big hammer will work. There. Alright, attempt number 2. Definitely smell gas. Alright, so as you can see, it's a brand new day. That's because last night the battery was so dead that it just wouldn't turn over at all. So I went and had the battery charging all night, and hopefully it has enough juice this time to actually spin this thing over enough to actually get it started. Holy crap. It started sucking fuel up from the gas tank already. That was pretty quick. I don't know if the bowl's actually full or not. I don't see anything. Can't squirt it in, but we'll give her another shot and maybe she'll start. So I'm just gonna keep this on it to, give it that extra juice. Put it on engine start and just hold it. There we go. Just make sure she's, oh yeah, she's doing things. Alright, so we're going to pour some more fire stuff down the fuel hole. Oh, that's enough. Do I have anything to keep the choke closed? Sure. Actually, this extra smoky stuff coming from? Okay, tip number 2. Like it wants. I don't think I got the timing right yet. Oh, she's running! Oh, yeah! Oh, shit. Oh, that was a good start. Good start. So, I just noticed this. That little squirrely guy who was living in the back must have been storing his nuts in my muffler. Oh, that's awesome. Well, she's a little smoky, but she'll clear out. Let's try this again. Okay, so here we go with attempt number 2.
go-go juice down her throat.
Try it again. Alright. Woo! She's going! Oh yeah. You know, little, I don't know, but it's running. Woo! No fires yet. She is spitting and sputtering a little bit, so. Probably gotta adjust the timing a bit. Yep, timing's working. Back her off a little bit, but woo! I'd say that's a win. It's alive. Okay, so as you guys can see, the Camaro runs. I still got some fine tuning to do. That pretty awesome timing gun that I bought for $7 at a swap meet. I went and I hooked it up, and I'm pretty sure the inside of it caught on fire. So that's no good. So I'll have to find a replacement for that so I can actually get it in time and all that fun stuff. And then I did buy a vacuum gauge so I can go and hook it up to one of those ports right there and get the whole idle mixture and all that sort of stuff all taken care of. But yeah, just a little fine-tuning stuff, clean up underneath the hood a bit. And then the next part is this. We are going to go and really clean it out this time. Go and probably pressure wash the inside of it. Do something about my leaky T-tops, because as you can see, there's a puddle back here. That's not good. If I want to put interior in this thing, I definitely have to get that taken care of. But I did save some old weather stripping and stuff from my old Camaro that was still good, so I know I can do the trunk, around the doors, because it's pretty bad, and maybe a couple other things. But yeah, that's the next step. So yeah, like, subscribe, do what you're gonna do, and you can see more videos on this piece of crap. Alright, later people.